Hey everybody, Chef Orch here coming from Seabreeze Fish Market and Grill, about to share one of my favorite holiday recipes for you. We're gonna make jumbo lump crab cakes today, baby. So we've got our crab right here, lump crab. Very simple recipe today. We're just gonna add some red bell peppers to it. We're gonna add a little bit of cilantro right in. We're gonna add some egg, kind of hold everything together. And then a little bit of a kick, I do a little pinch of just Old Bay. You can do a little more if you like a little bit more of a kick, or less if you don't. And then we're just gonna take our hands right in. We're just gonna mix it all together. The key ingredient to this recipe is literally crab, more crab, and then a little bit more crab. So once we mix all of it out throughout, I like to make almost hockey puck size crab cakes here. Nice, good circles. You can do rings or molds if you want, if you have them at home. And then all we're gonna do is a little bit of panko on the outside. So I've got my panko right there. We're just gonna do panko on the out, panko on the in. There's no panko in the crab. It's just gonna be on the out so it gets nice and crispy for you. You're gonna get your pan nice and hot. A little bit of olive oil there. And then right in with your cake. I usually like to let these form a little bit before we go right into the pan, so you can always form these ahead, get them chilled, and then do a nice sear. While these are going, I'm gonna tell you about some of our holiday platters that we've got going for Christmas and the fun times coming up. Right here, we've got our house smoked salmon platter with all the fixins. It's got a lemon caper aioli, eggs, red onions and capers. It'll come with some crostinis. And then we also have our shrimp cocktail. So we peel and devein and cook our shrimp in-house every single day. Little cocktail and remoulade sauce is a great thing to have for however small or large of a holiday you have this year. After about 2.5, 3 minutes on each side, you'll get a nice brown crust. Go right from there. Have a little bit of cocktail, a little bit of remoulade to go with your crab cake. And it's a wonderful holiday meal. Happy holidays, everyone.